Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore IT Issue Solution for All. In today's video, I will show you the best way to open control panel as an administrator in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Normally when we open control panel, it's run with the standard user permission, but sometime for troubleshooting, changing advanced settings or managing system configuration, we need administrator privilege. So without wasting time, let's start. So we are using the two method to open a control panel. Okay, so first we need to go to the first option. First we need to create just I show you the command which we need to use. So first one is we need to create a right click and go to the new and create a shortcut. Okay, and this is a path. You can use the path where it control panel is running. So as I've already copied this path, so you just go, I'll show you. You just go to the path is browse and C drive, then system 32, Windows system 32, then control panel. Here is the control, or just a minute, C control.exe something. We need to check the exe file. So here is control. There is a multiple file, so it's taking more time. Or you just go to and paste this path here and next, then select the control name of the panel, the control name of this shortcut. So you type it here, this control panel. Okay, then finish. So once you have created the shortcut, right click on this shortcut and go to the more option and go to the advanced setting and click on run as an administrator, then OK, apply and OK. So this is the first method which I told you. So you just click here, double click here, this asking this type of, so you just only click yes. Once you click yes, you got the control panel. See this here, you can go and uninstall and install that any software or software and install the new application as you requested, correct? So the now the second way is you just copy this path, right? I will give you these two commands on your description, so you can easily copy it from here. Go and type window and run and paste it this file here. Okay, now you can click the OK. Then one window is coming, this type, and here you can type the administrator password, hit enter. Once you hit enter, this control panel is automatically open with the admin rights. Hope you understand easily. So now whenever you double click the shortcut, control panel will automatically open on administrator in the first option, and the second option you just click copy the path as I show you in the notepad file like this, and you just click on, go to the run window and R Then you can paste it here. And open the control panel using the administrator password. So there were the two easiest method to open the control panel as an administrator in Windows 11 and 10. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Explore IT Issue Solution for All. Comment below which Windows troubleshooting topic you want next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.